talking about financing, right? But before you get finance, I urge you to get educated. And 5 key places that I think you guys should look into. Number 1, your community. I think you should look into your community for resources. Who are those banks, right? Because maybe there's certain banks that specialize in certain types of businesses. So look for the bank that specializes in the business you do. Also in your community, look for those organizations. Go to your chamber for information, for education. They might send you to a microlender who has a special program to help you start off your small business or grow it. The second place is a circle of influence. You guys all need to get your own small board or circle of influence before you go get financing, right? Get advice from other small business. Get a small business owner. Get an accountant. Get a person who is an expert in marketing. And you're never too small to build that circle of influence. So make sure if you don't have one today, I mean, there's over 100 people here today that have different expertise. Talk to someone about one of the questions you have. The third, and I kind of mentioned it already, get an expert bank. Although I'd love all of you guys to bank with Wells Fargo, the truth is that there's banks that do things for different people. So find the bank that's good for you. And last but not least, I said 5, but I'm going to cut it to 4, is education. Educate yourselves, right? The reason I'm here and I believe in these programs is that, you know, me as a first-generation student and having gone to college, nobody taught me about money. My parents didn't know about money, right? And I've seen my father fail in a small business. I've seen myself fail previously as a student with my financing for education. And what I've come to learn is no matter how educated you are, whether you have, you know, a bachelor's, 2 doctorates, 2 masters, a lot of us are not 100% educated on financials. Whether it's your retirement, your small business, or the way you're doing your banking to manage your cash flow, I think we can all use a little bit more education on how to do that. So with that said, does anybody have any questions?